Good morning, Arizona. Welcome back. It is 9:41 on your Sunday morning. Kelsey Dickerson here with the Arizona Humane Society with Brooke.
Yes.
Hi, Kelsey.
Hi, good morning.
You had so much success this week. You had a 2-day free adoption event. How many dogs and cats went out?
449 dogs, cats, and critters found their forever homes on Friday and Saturday. Thanks to your support and everyone that came out to adopt. Absolutely incredible. So many animals found their forever homes. But we do have a handful of dogs, cats, and critters who are still looking for their forever home.
Show them your good side.
Including Miss Brooke right here.
There we
who is
go.
a huge sweetheart. She's 4 years old. She was brought to us as an injured stray. As you can see, she still has a little bit of scarring, but she's an absolute princess. She's just been getting along with everybody. In the studio today, she rode so great in the car.
Very calm.
Very
She just
calm.
calmly assessed me, said hello, and then she did this. Okay, I guess she's cool.
Yes.
And now I'm going to go back to laying down.
You know, she's like a little couch potato, but she is a good mix of adventurous as well. She is really strong, so she's going to need probably like a harness or something for her walks. And we do recommend that she's the only animal in the house just because she wants all the attention to herself.
I totally get it. I know, Brooke, I get it. What's happening over at the shelter? Because you have an electricity issue that you're working on.
We do, yes. So we had someone come in to assess another problem, and they actually found that we needed emergency electrical repairs at our Sunny Slope campus, affecting some critical areas, including our cat and dog adoptions, our maternity suites, as well as our ringworm room, and our cat holding and cat hospital. So luckily we had this amazing adoption special where so many animals found their forever homes, but we are going to have our Sunny Slope adoptions closed for the next 3 days or so while we're repairing those. We're already working on getting the adoptables out, moving them to our Campus for Compassion location. So we're just really urging anyone who wasn't able to come out to please adopt. We have 38 remaining animals who got left behind, who are just absolutely amazing, like Brooke here. So we're just really urging you to visit azhumane.org/adopt to help us through these next few days. But if you can't do that, these repairs are estimated to be $16,000. And we have to get them done in order to ensure the safety of our animals. So if you can't adopt, make sure that you can donate, or you can become a foster as well. There's so many ways to help us out.
Okay, all right. Look at that face.
And she's available at our Campus for Compassion location today at 11 o'clock.
Where is that?
That's off of 15th Avenue and Dobbins, over by South Mountain.
Brooke.
She's sleeping.
Brooke, do you want a new home today? Brooke? Yeah, you do.
She's a new home? Yeah, that's for me.
You have the biggest smile, too. Big smile. Big smile. All right.
She's hamming it up.
Kelsey, thank you. Remember to donate to the Arizona Humane Society. Help them out during this time. Also, you can adopt an animal like my little Brooke today. We'll be right back. Arizona, stay with us.